square wave oscillator, right? Square wave oscillator. The basic square wave oscillator is based on the charging and discharging of capacitor, right? So to generate square wave, right, the circuit must charge and discharge capacitor, right? And we will see the circuit itself, circuit configuration. But here, the op amp, obviously, it will have inverting and non-inverting inputs. So for inverting input, the input will be the capacitor voltage, right? And non-inverting input of the op amp is fed with a portion of the output feedback through the resistor R1 and R2, right? Let's look at square wave generator, right? Here the circuit constructed with LM741 op amp, but any commercial op amp can be used for generating square wave, right? So here you can see at the inverting input side, right on the top here around pin number 2, there will be capacitor voltage here, capacitor voltage, and the circuit itself is, I think, the feedback with resistor with cap here, right? So on positive or non-inverting side, you can see a resistor R1 and R2, it feedback circuit that can feed a portion of the output voltage into the non-inverting side, right? In the right side, you can see the square wave, right? Here, the square wave here, having a period T, right? Having a period T. And VC is something like this. I expect that we'll see on or just on a simulation session, right? So the expression for the period T here, this guy, you can calculate period T by using this formula, right? T is equal to 2 RC times ln 1 plus beta divided by 1 minus beta, where beta is equals to R2 divided by R1 plus R2. That means feedback ratio, right? Feedback ratio. So if R1 equals to R2, anyway, if R1 is equals to R2, the equation for the period will reduce to T equals to 2 times R times C times ln 3, right? And beta, which means beta will be, if R1 is R1 equals to R2, it will be 0.5, right? In such scenario, that means 1 plus 0.5, the whole divided by 1 minus 0.5, that means 1.5 divided by 0.5, which is 3, right? So the T equals to 2 times R times C times ln 3, it's the equation, right? And on second slide, so anyway, frequency of the oscillation, the square wave frequency F will be equals 1 over the period, right? On the period, which we see on the output waveform. So that means T equals to 2 times R times ln 3 when R1 is equal to R. So the whole frequency F is equals 1 over, right, 2 times R times C times ln 3, right? Okay, let's start with design of square wave generator. Let the frequency of oscillation be 1 kilohertz. ምን ማለት ነው? output frequency f 1 kilohertz ብትሆን ማለት ነው። እቺ f ማለት ነው። ሌላኛው f 1 k ቢሆን ወይም ፔሪዮዱ ስንት ማለት ነው? 1 ሚሊ ሰከንድ የሆነ ዲዛይን ማድረግ ብትፈልግ መጀመሪያ ቤታ ቴክ ቤታ equals to 0.5 of this and R1 equals to R2, which equal to 10k, and frequency of f become 1 kilohertz. So let us assume C equals to 0.1 microfarad. In such scenario, if we substitute everything there, we can calculate R, the required R, right? Which is equals to almost, by using the equation there, you can find R equals to 4.55 kilo ohm, right? 4.55 kilo ohm is not the standard uh, resistor, right? You cannot find such a resistor, right? So if you try to find commercial, and the nearest commercial circuit will be, the resistor will be 4.7 kilo ohm, right? So let's try to do this circuit, right? Let's try to build, right, the circuit that can work for square wave generator having 1 kilohertz, right? So for such component select, ከዛ ኦፓምፕ ጋር እንሄዳለን። ከኦፓምፕ ውስጥ እስቲ ቀለል ያለ ኦፓምፕ ልምረጥ። ኦፒ 0.7 ራይት፣ ይህን እንመርጠዋለን። ራይት ኦፓምፕ ነው። ኦፓምፕ ኢንቨርቲንግ ኢንፑት አለ ማይነስ፣ ነን ኢንቨርቲንግ ፕላስ አለ። ፓወር ሰፕላይ ፖዚቲቭ እና ኔጌቲቭ አለ። ስለዚህ ቮልቴጅ ያስፈልጋል፣ ካፓሲተር ሬዚስተር ያስፈልጋል። ስለዚህ እስቲ የኔጌቲቭ ፊድባክ ራይት ሰርኪት እናስቀምጥ። ኮንትሮል አር በማድረግ እዚህ ጋር እናስቀምጣለን። ራይት ኮንትሮል አር ራይት እኔ ያስፈልጋል። ራይት ከዛ ቮልቴጅ ያስፈልጋል። ቪ በመጫን ቮልቴጆችን ሁለት ያስፈልጋል ማለት ፖዚቲቭ እና ኔጌቲቭ ማለት ነው። ሶ ሰርኪቱን ኮኔክት ማድረግ እንሞክር። የዚህ ካፓሲተር ነው የሚሆነው። ኮኔክት እናደርጋለን። ቮልት ላድርግ 12 ራይት 12 ቮልት ላድርግ። ጉድ። እነዚህ 10 ኬ ናቸው። 10 ኪሎ 10 ኪሎ right, this guy 0.1 U, right, 0.1 U micro, 0.1 microfarad. I think this guy 4.7K, right? Good. This is 10K, right? 10K. Okay, this is square wave, right? This is square wave. Good. Okay, square wave. እስቲ 1K መሆኑ ቼክ ለማድረግ ከርሰርን 1 እና 2 ላድርግ። ኦኬ፣ እነዚህ ከርሰሮች መጥተዋል። ስለዚህ አንድን እዚህ ጫፍ፣ ኦኬ፣ እዚህ ወይም መሃል ላይ ላድርገው። መሃል አካባቢ ከርሰርቱን እዚህ ጋር መሃል አካባቢ ላድርግ። here, right here, right. So you can see here at the bottom the difference between cursor 1 the 2 1.003814 millisecond, which means period T will be 1 millisecond. In the reverse, frequency will be 1 kilo, right?